What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have a watermelon cutter right here, you guys, in the flesh from temu. Okay. Now, if you're not a fan of temu, I say this on most of my temu videos. I will put a link in the description from a similar product from Amazon. If you're not too much into temu, okay. So they do sell similar products on Amazon. Sometimes you might find the same seller, you never know. All of it is from China. Just kidding, you guys. Have a sense of humor, all right? Now, one thing I'm not going to do is touch these blades. I do not know how sharp they are. I'm pretty sure if it cuts through a watermelon, it's pretty sharp, all right? Now, of course, this is not the way to go. This is the way to go, all right? So you push down just like that. Unfortunately, you guys, we don't have instructions. All right. That's the first unfortunate part. The second one is I was at Sam's Club and all the watermelons for some reason was just soft. All right. We're not in watermelon season yet, but I did want to get a watermelon cutter because when summertime comes, springtime, we buy watermelons, you guys. Seeded watermelons. I go to the Amish market and we get seeded watermelons. Y'all know the story with seedless watermelons. It's all a conspiracy. All right. But right here, we do have a cantaloupe. So we will test out the cantaloupe. We will center this center part right here. We will try to match it up right here with this center. And we are going to go ahead and check it out. Let's see how sharp this thing is and how good it cuts. All right. Let's see. Seems kind of tough. All right, so am I doing this the right way? I know it's not the other way. If I got to do all that, you guys, this is kind of tough. I'm not sure if this will cut a watermelon. Let me try the other way. Other way, probably. No, it's definitely this way. All right, let me try the side of it and see. Nope, you guys. Now I have met my match. I have met my match. This is, and the cantaloupe is pretty hard, you guys. Maybe I need to put the table down some more to have more leverage. Table might be too high. Let's see. I'm gonna lower the table some. Wow, you guys, this is not. This one is definitely getting returned. I do not like this. This is a struggle. Look at that. I'm actually bending the product. Nope. Sorry, you guys. Unfortunately, it's not working on the cantaloupe. And if it don't work on the cantaloupe, I'm pretty sure it ain't going to work on a watermelon, you guys. I will look for a different brand and check that out. But for right now, this is a no-go. All right. Y'all are witnessing it firsthand. All right. That's it, you guys. Whew. Unfortunately, this is a no. I will look for a different brand. I will still post a link to this one so y'all can know which one that this one is. And that will be it, you guys. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible, you guys. This is unfiltered. This is not paid subscriptions or nothing. Even if somebody had a paid subscription, I'm sorry. I will have to tell the truth and nothing but the truth. All right. And that will be it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.